Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Did you know that you can actually make your video go viral on TikTok without spending a dime? If you don't know, follow this video till the end. TikTok is a social media platform with a multi-million followers, and believe me, people are making millions of dollars from this platform every month. So you can also do so, but you have to do some certain works on your video so that it can go viral. And believe me, when your video started going viral on TikTok, you cash out money. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. So guys, let us go. The first thing to do is to go to your TikTok app if you have it in your phone. So this is my TikTok app. To make your videos go viral on TikTok, the first thing to do is to click on the three line up there. You can see this three line. Click on it. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. When you are done, then all you need to do is to scroll down. Then you'll see free up space. This is the one I'm talking about. Free up space. Click on it. Then here there are two things here. One is cache and the second one is downloads. The one you are going to click on is this CAC. You have to clear CAC. If you click on clear downloads, then all the data in your TikTok will be gone. So just click on only clear CAC like this. Then you can see clear now. You click on it and it has been clear. You can see the MB have reduced to 0.0. So this is the first step. The second step is this. You have to go back. Then you go to the particular video you want to post. Let's say I don't have any video in my draft now, but let's say you want to post a video. You click on add. Then you click on the particular video you want to post here. That is, you click on the particular video you want to post. Let's say this one, or let's say this one. All you need to do is to click on next. Then it will take you to this place. When you are here, what you have to do to click on next all. Then it will take you to this place. When you are here, what you have to do is to scroll down. You should make sure that everything here are allowed. Then you have to click on who can watch this video. You can see who can watch this video here, and you should make sure it is on everyone, because if it is on only me or my friends, that means your videos will not be accessible by TikTok users. It will only be limited to you and your friends. Then that is the second stage. The third stage is hashtags. You must know how to use hashtags. For instance, this is my TikTok, and I can go for any, I can use the hashtag of any viral name. Let's say my name, or let's say you just write comedy. You can see here, and that is all. So that is the third stage, and the final stage is this. You have to go back to the option, then go to settings and privacy. When you are here, you will see privacy here. Click on it. Then you should make sure that private account is turned off, because when this thing is on, it is only you that will be able to watch your videos. It will not go viral. So you should make sure you turn this thing off. So let me turn it off now. That is it. And another important thing is this. To make your videos go viral on TikTok, you have to go for the latest music, that is the trending music, and put it on your video. You understand? For instance, if I want to upload any video now, here are some of my videos. You upload it, click on next. So this is my video. What you need to do now is you click on add sound up there. when you click on add sound, then you search for the latest music, let's say Davido. You type Davido new song, and here are some of the Davido's new song. You just have to click on any of them. So when you are done, you mark the video, and it will be uploaded to your video. After when this is done, then you just have to upload the video, and trust me, within some hours you will see your video going viral. So this is how simple it is to make your videos go viral on TikTok. So if you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.